Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to Urdu for All. In this video, we're going to read the story The Golden Egg in Urdu, and I'll tell you its English meaning as we proceed. This will help you to improve both these languages as well as enhance your bilingual skills. So, let's start. एक मर्तबा का जिक्र है कि एक आदमी के पास एक बत्तख थी. Once upon a time, this man had a dog. ये जादू की बत्तख थी. This was magic dog. ये बत्तख हर रोज एक सोने का अंडा देती थी. This dog laid a golden egg every day. वो आदमी ये अंडा बेचकर बहुत सी चीजें खरीद लेता था. That man used to sell this egg and buy loads of stuff. वो आदमी बहुत लालची भी था. That man was very greedy too. एक रोज उसने सोचा कि मैं बत्तख के सारे अंडे इकट्ठे ही क्यों ना निकाल लूं. One day he thought, why should I take all the eggs of the duck in one go? ये सोचकर उसने बेचारी बत्तख को ज़िबे किया. He thought that and he slaughtered the poor duck. मगर जब उसने बत्तख का पेट काटा तो हैरान रह गया. But when he cut open the duck's stomach, he was astonished. बत्तख के पेट में सोने का एक भी अंडा नहीं था. There wasn't one single golden egg in the duck's stomach. सोने का अंडा तो हर रोज बत्तख के पेट में तैयार होता था. The golden egg used to get ready in the duck's stomach every day. यूं वो आदमी रोज के सोने के एक अंडे से भी हाथ धो बैठा. This way, that man lost one daily golden egg too. इस तरह लालच करने का नतीजा इसको मिल गया. This way, he received the consequences of his greed. सच कहते हैं कि लालच बुरी बला है. The Urdu saying that greed is a bad monster is true. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Right? For now, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.